Well, speaking of the summer drinks, Quan.
Yes, we're going to turn to something that won't make you feel guilty as you indulge this summer.
Yeah, so I recently caught up with our lifestyle friend and expert, Paul Zahn, to learn the sips of this season, the one we're in right now. Summer is ramping up, and while we're at brunches, pool parties, and barbecues, we always want to have a fun summer bevy in our hands. So lifestyle expert and entertainment expert, Paul Zahn, is here with the summer 2025 drink trends that we need to know. Paul, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. You ready for summer?
I'm ready for summer.
Okay.
And I love when you come because you know that I am on a journey to find the best non-alcoholic wine out there, and you brought one for us to try today.
Absolutely. Right here we have my favorite non-alcoholic wine, Kylie Minogue's wine. This is the 0%, free of alcohol, but it has some great flavors that the Rosé Prosecco has. It has some strawberry, some citrus. There's some floral notes to it. And also another big trend right now is non-alcoholic spirits and liqueurs. And we have Fluea right here, which is made in the Netherlands. So this is an aperitif that doesn't have any alcohol in it. It has some nice bitter to it. It's like the cousin to Aperol without the buzz and everything like that.
That's amazing.
And I whipped up a non-alcoholic drink right here, which is all-day rosé. So it is some of the wonderful Fluea aperitif and some of the Kylie Minogue non-alcoholic wine, like so. And this, I actually was inspired by a drink I tried at Legal Seafood made with these same ingredients. So again, that trend is going global. It's going everywhere. It's going on drink menus. What do you think of the
I think
rosé
it's delicious. I think it's absolutely wonderful. And I love that we talked about the zebra striping. So some people, you can do a little bit of both. It's okay.
Have one bottle of the Kylie Minogue Rosé Prosecco, and then after that, pour in some of the non-alcoholic Kylie Minogue wine.
I love it. Love it. All right, now we're going to move on to Italian spirits.
Italian spirits are a big trend. Obviously, the Aperol Spritz opened the door, and it lent its way to drinks like an Amaro. So this is Amaro Nonino. Amaro quite literally translates in Italian to bitter. So this is an Amaro that has some nice botanical to it. It has some nice bitterness to it. It has some floral, everything like that. Some Amari are super bitter, and some are just sweet and floral. This is the perfect in-between. And this makes the perfect signature cocktail for your summer dinner parties, which is a paper plane. So 4 ingredients, equal parts. Equal parts Aperol, equal parts Amaro Nonino, lemon juice, and then some bourbon. Give this a shake, and then we are going to strain this into a martini glass or a coupe glass, like so, and voila, the perfect Amaro Nonino paper plane.
And a beautiful color too, Paul.
Yes, perfect for summer.
And I love that it's equal parts because it takes the thinking out when you're making the drink for guests, right? Like you're just like, you're not measuring, you're just kind of like a little bit of this, a little bit of that.
I just want to party during the summer. I don't want to think.
Exactly. Well, if you really don't want to think or do anything, you just grabbed a canned cocktail.
Right here, Sinless Spirits has these wonderful canned cocktails. Everything's in there. Premium vodka. There is 0 carbs, 0 sugar, 0 guilt. I love these two because they have some great flavors. These are new to Boston. We have peach, we have black cherry, we have pineapple, and the most New England flavor, cranberry. So you just pop these into a cooler for your brunches, barbecues, or boating, the 3 Bs, and it takes the guessing work out, and they're absolutely delicious.
Yeah, I like the 0 sugar and all that good stuff, and then 0 work. I'm all for that. All right, finally, something if the kids want to enjoy something, the whole family can enjoy the dirty soda.
We have a dirty soda, which is super on trend for all those TikTok people out there. This one is made with some Olipop. I love Olipop. It is a prebiotic soda with 3 to 5 grams of sugar, 7 to 9 grams of plant-based fiber. So this is a better for you treat for the kids, for mom and dad, for everybody. And that one is made with the orange cream and just some heavy cream, just a dash. What do you think of the dirty soda made with the Olipop?
I am back in my childhood.
Yes, it's good, right?
It's so good. It's like, almost like a little bit of a float.
Yeah. And it's only around 100 calories for that whole thing. And we have some great flavors like cream soda, we have root beer, we have the new orange cream, and you can pick these up at like Costco.
That's
Again,
amazing.
when you're getting all your barbecuing needs, pick these up, make something for the whole family. I like this for a dessert because it's a dessert under 100 calories.
And it's sweet. Yeah, it has a good flavor to it. Paul, you always bring the best ideas. If people want to learn more and find more tips and tricks from you, where can they find you?
People can follow me on Instagram at Paul Zahn.
Amazing. Thanks for being here.
Cheers.